Hi there. Welcome to part 4 of Real English for A2 learners. I'm Nina, and today we'll practice real conversations for work, phone calls, and everyday online life. You'll hear natural dialogues about job interviews, office communication, making calls, using apps, and solving small tech problems. All spoken slowly and clearly with a natural American accent. Listen, repeat, and learn with me, one real situation at a time. Let's begin. Job interviews. I noticed your company is hiring for a customer service role. Could you tell me a bit more about what the job involves? Sure. You'd be helping clients by phone and email, answering questions, and solving problems from 9 to 5, Monday through Friday. Do you require previous experience? Or would you consider someone who's just starting out? We prefer some experience, but if you've done volunteer work or internships, that counts too. I'm still learning English. Would that be a problem for this position? Not at all. As long as you can communicate clearly, we offer language support for new team members. What kind of training do you provide for new employees? You'll have a 2-week onboarding program with a mentor, plus access to online courses. Is this a full-time or part-time position? It's full-time, but we do offer flexible hours if you're studying or have other commitments. Do you offer health insurance or other benefits? Yes, we provide health, dental, and vision insurance after your first 90 days. How soon would I need to start if I got the job? We'd like someone to start in about 3 weeks, but we can be flexible. Can you tell me what the team is like? It's a friendly, supportive group. Most of us have been here for over 2 years. Will I be working remotely or in the office? It's hybrid, 3 days in the office, 2 days from home. Is there anything else I should know before I apply? Just make sure your resume highlights your communication skills. That's the most important part for us. Making phone calls, formal and informal. Hi, I'm calling to check if my package has been delivered yet. The tracking number is ABC123. Let me look that up for you. Yes, it was delivered this morning at 10:15 to your front door. I'm trying to reach someone in the marketing department. Could you please connect me? Of course. I'll transfer you now. One moment, please. I'm sorry to bother you, but I think I dialed the wrong number. Is this the Green Cafe? No, this is the Blue Bookstore. The cafe is 555-0198. Hello, is Anna there? This is Mark from the study group. She's not available right now. Would you like to leave a message? I'm calling about the apartment you advertised online. Is it still available? Yes, it is. Would you like to schedule a viewing this weekend? Hi, it's me. I'm running about 10 minutes late for our coffee meetup. No problem. I just got here myself, so I'll grab us a table. I need to cancel my appointment for tomorrow. Is that possible? Yes, we can reschedule. Do you have another day in mind? I'm having trouble hearing you. Could you speak a little louder, please? Sure. Is this better? I'm calling from a noisy street, so I'll try to find a quieter spot. I was wondering if you'd be free to help me move this Saturday. It shouldn't take more than a couple of hours. I'd love to help. Just let me know what time and where. I'm calling to confirm my dentist appointment for Thursday at 3 p.m. Yes, you're all set. Please arrive 10 minutes early to fill out a form. Online meetings and video calls. Hi everyone, can you hear me okay? My internet was acting up earlier. Yes, you're coming through clearly now. Thanks for checking. I'm having trouble sharing my screen. Does anyone know how to fix it? Try clicking the green share button at the bottom of your Zoom window. Sorry I'm late. My previous meeting ran over by 10 minutes. No worries. We just started the presentation, so you didn't miss much. Could you please mute yourself when you're not speaking? There's a lot of background noise. Oh, sorry about that. I'll mute right now. I didn't catch what you said about the deadline. Could you repeat that part? Sure. The report is due by 5 p.m. this Friday, not Monday. Is it okay if I turn off my camera for a few minutes? My laptop is getting really hot. Of course. Just keep your mic on so we can hear you. I think my audio is cutting out. Can someone tell me if you hear me now? Yes, you're good. It must have been a temporary glitch. Should we take a 5-minute break before we start the next section? Great idea. I need to grab a glass of water anyway. I'm not sure how to use the whiteboard feature. Is there a quick way to learn it? I can show you after the meeting. It only takes a minute to set up. Thanks for being patient with me today. I'm still getting used to these online meetings. Don't worry at all. We were all new to this once. Emails and online messages. I'm writing to follow up on my application for the teaching assistant position. Have you made a decision yet? Thank you for your message. We're still reviewing candidates and will contact you by next week. Could you please send me the link to the online form again? I lost the original email. Of course. Here it is. www.example.com/form. Let me know if it doesn't work. I wanted to let you know I won't be able to attend the meeting tomorrow due to a family emergency. I completely understand. Please take care of yourself and we'll reschedule. Is it okay if I submit my assignment a day late? My computer crashed last night. Yes, just send it by noon tomorrow. No penalty. I'm not sure if I understood the instructions correctly. Could you clarify what you mean by summary? Sure. Just write 3 to 4 sentences about the main idea of the article. Thanks so much for your quick reply. It really helped me finish my project on time. You're very welcome. I'm glad I could help. I accidentally sent you the wrong file. Please ignore the last email and use this one instead. No problem. I'll delete the first one and use the updated version. Do you have any availability for a quick call this afternoon? I have a few questions about the project. I'm free between 2 and 3 p.m. Does that work for you? I'm having trouble logging into the student portal. It says my password is incorrect. Try clicking Forgot Password. If that doesn't work, I'll reset it for you. Just a quick note to say I've uploaded the presentation to the shared folder. Great! I'll take a look and send you feedback by tomorrow morning. Office and workplace communication. I'm not feeling well today. Would it be okay if I worked from home? Absolutely. Just make sure to check your email in case we need you. Do you know where the printer paper is kept? I need to refill the tray. It's in the cabinet next to the kitchen, the top shelf. I finished the report you asked for. Would you like me to email it or print a copy? Email is fine, thanks. And great job. I'll review it this afternoon. Can I borrow your laptop charger for a few minutes? Mine isn't working. Sure. It's on my desk. Just plug it in carefully. I'm going to lunch now. Do you need me to pick anything up for you? Actually, yes. Could you grab me a black coffee from the cafe downstairs? I'm not sure how to use this software. Would you have time to show me later? Of course. I'm free after 3 p.m. Just come by my desk. Is it okay if I leave 15 minutes early today? My dentist appointment got moved up. No problem. Just make sure your tasks are saved before you go. I noticed the meeting room is double booked for 2 p.m. Should we move ours? Good catch. Let's switch to room B. It's the same size and available. Do we have a team lunch this Friday, or was that canceled? It's still on. We're ordering from the Thai place at noon. I spilled coffee on the keyboard. Should I report it to IT? Yes, please send a ticket right away. They'll bring a replacement. Online shopping and deliveries. I ordered a sweater last week, but it hasn't arrived yet. Can you check the status? Let me look. It's out for delivery today and should arrive by 6 p.m. The shoes I received are the wrong size. How do I return them? Go to My Orders, click Return, and print the label. We'll pick it up for free. Do you offer express shipping if I need something by tomorrow? Yes, select Next Day Delivery at checkout. It's $9.99. I used a discount code, but it wasn't applied to my order. Can you fix that? I'm sorry about that. I'll refund the difference right away. Is this item in stock or is it on backorder? It's in stock and will ship within 24 hours. Can I change the delivery address after I've placed the order? If it hasn't shipped yet, yes, just call customer service within the hour. I'd like to track my package. Do you have a link I can use? Yes, here's your tracking page. track.example.com/abc123. The product description said waterproof, but it got damaged in the rain. What can I do? That's covered under warranty. We'll send a replacement at no cost. Do you have this in a different color? I prefer navy blue over black. Yes, navy is available. Just select it from the drop-down menu. I'm not sure if this will fit me. Do you have a size guide? Yes, click the size chart link under the product photo. Using apps and social media. I can't log into my account. It says my password is wrong, but I'm sure it's correct. Try clicking Forgot Password. Sometimes the app saves an old version. How do I turn off notifications for this group chat? It's getting too noisy. Go to Settings Notifications. Mute this chat for 24 hours or forever. I posted a photo, but it's not showing up on my friend's feed. Is something wrong? It might be a delay. Try refreshing the app or checking your internet. Can I download videos to watch offline, or do I need to stream them? Yes, tap the download icon below the video. It'll save to your library. I accidentally sent a message to the wrong person. Can I delete it? If it's been less than 10 minutes, long press the message and select Delete for everyone. How do I change my profile picture on this app? Tap your profile icon and edit Change Photo, upload from your gallery. I'm getting a lot of spam comments. How do I block them? Go to Privacy Settings and turn on Manual Approval for comments. Is there a way to save posts to look at later? Yes, tap the bookmark icon under any post. You'll find them in your saved folder. I want to share this article with my group, but I don't want to copy the whole link. Just tap the Share button and select your group. It'll send a clean preview. My video keeps buffering. Is it my phone or the app? It's probably your internet. Try switching from mobile data to Wi-Fi. Tech support and small problems. My laptop won't turn on. It just shows a black screen. What should I do? Try holding the power button for 10 seconds, then press it again to restart. I think my phone has a virus. It's opening apps by itself. That's unusual. Let's run a security scan and check for unknown apps. The Wi-Fi is working in the kitchen but not in my bedroom. Is there a way to fix that? You might need a Wi-Fi extender. They're easy to set up and not too expensive. I deleted an important file by accident. Can I get it back? Check your trash or recycle bin first. If it's there, you can restore it. My screen is frozen and won't respond to anything. Hold down the power button for 15 seconds to force a restart. I keep getting an error message when I try to open this program. What does the message say? If it mentions update, try installing the latest version. My headphones aren't working with this app, but they work with others. Go to the app settings and check if the audio output is set to your headphones. I forgot my password and don't have access to my recovery email. You'll need to contact support. They can verify your identity another way. The printer is connected, but nothing happens when I click print. Make sure it's set as your default printer in system settings. My battery drains really fast. Is there a way to see what's using the most power? Yes, go to Settings Battery. It'll show you which apps are using the most energy. Great work! You just practiced 80 real English phrases for work, phone calls, and online life. These conversations will help you feel confident in job interviews, office settings, video calls, shopping online, and solving everyday tech issues, whether you're in Berlin, Toronto, Sydney, or Stockholm. If you found this helpful, subscribe for Part 5. We'll explore health, fitness, and visiting the doctor in English. And don't forget to watch Part 1, 2, and 3 if you haven't yet. Thanks for learning with me. I'm Nina, and I'll see you in the next real conversation.